Friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on LG Code Zero reviews. Well guys, this review will help you in know whether this product is legit or a scam one. Friends, if you have not purchased this product yet, this unbiased review will help you a lot and it will tell you whether you should buy the product or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this product, watch this video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before sharing the way, let's find out some details about the product. Well guys, here you can see this is the picture of LG Code Zero A9 Ultimate Cordless Stick Vacuum. Guys, it comes with a lot of attachments and it is available in two different colors, matte gray and red. Moving further guys, you will find that there are a lot of benefits of buying this cordless vacuum, which is highly spacious. It helps to keep your room clean. It comes with a lot of attachments and which includes two batteries that take charge of your cleaning time. Guys, before I share more details about the features, benefits and legitimacy checkpoints of the product, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further guys, here you can see that it has two batteries that can run for about 80 minutes. This is the maximum run time for a vacuum cleaner. Friends, moving further, here you can see that there are different modes in which you can place the vacuum cleaner. So much more than a stand. Guys, it has a vacuum portable charging stand. You can easily store and charge anywhere, anytime, even without drilling holes into your walls. You can watch the full movie and find out more details of the exact working of the product. Moving further, it comes with control features with a single touch. You can turn the vacuum on and off easily or select different power levels including turbo mode with the touch of the thumb, which means less strain on your hand and more comfortable towards cleaning. This is the turbo mode. Moving further guys, here you can see all the attachment. It has a washable cyclone and filters for easy maintenance. It extends the life of your vacuum cleaner and helps in removing all the dust, fine particles and all the dirt away from your home. You can see that you can easily adjust the handles and you can bring it according to the sizes you require. Height is easily adjustable guys. It has a adjustable wad length. It comes with a powerful suction, which means that this is smart inverter motor. It creates powerful 140 AW suction and the motor is backed by 10-year limited warranty for lasting peace of mind. It cleans the carpet with ease evenly. Even you can clean all the dust, pet hairs, dirt from the carpet using the direct drive motor inside the nozzle cleaning head. You can transform to hand handle vacuum. It comes with warranty and certification. Moving further guys and talking about customer reviews, we found a lot of customer reviews on this product. It is the improved version of last other LG models. You can easily buy this product on some famous sites also. Coming to the price of the product guys, here you can see that this product is available at $499. It comes with a $50 save amount. Guys, they have given a lot of customer review rating on the website. Apart from that, here you can see the consumer reports where people have given green light to the product. Overall guys, this is a legit product and if it suits and comes in your budget, you can give this product a try. Friends, if you are looking for the money back option, all you need to do is visit the link which is given in our description box. View the link properly. Don't forget to comment your thoughts over this video guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends, have a nice day.